Hey y'all, it's Kathy Bow. I'm your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, but tonight we are going to put this invisible shield made by ZAGG, Z-A-G-G. We're going to put it on my phone. Now, I've not really been brave enough to do this myself, and I have asked my husband to do it time and time again. And this time I'm going to do it because the lighting is good in here. There's no reason I can't do it. I'm a crafter, right? I should be able to do this. Well, let me tell you a little bit about this first. This is my third shield, and these things are like, I don't know, that I want to say $39, $49, something like that. I bought mine at Verizon. Let's see if you can see this. Now, of course, I'm not being compensated at all for this. I'm just telling you guys how this goes. Anyway, so I bought this at Verizon, and I registered it, and probably about 6 months after I bought it, my screen was cracked, and I was like, oh no. So I peeled up that shield thing, and my screen was perfect, like it is right here. I don't want to pick it up because I've already cleaned it. But the thing is, once you register it, it's good forever. And all you do is take that old screen off. Look at that. Isn't that awful? Now, it cracked a lot when I peeled it up tonight, but I mean, it's probably got twice as many cracks in it right now as it did have. But this long one here was there, and it was cracked this way, and it was spider cracked somewhere else. And yeah, so what they want you to do is put it on a piece of paper, put it in this envelope. There's a, when you get your receipt, this sticker is going to be here, and you just peel that off and put it on your label here, and you get a free replacement for life, right? So that's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do, well, what I need to do is register this new one, and I'll do that after the video, and install the new one, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So it comes in this. It comes like this, and this is in there, and the screen is in here, and it's kind of interesting getting this open. But I took it out of its case, and this is my iPhone case. And by the way, this is a clear case, and yes, it's all beat up, and it needs a lot of love. But this is just Stampin' Up paper. I made one template, and then I came back and have used that one over and over again to be the back of my paper. I changed it out for Christmas, and I might change it for Valentine's Day. I don't know. But I love that, with just having a clear case, and you can see whatever on the back of it. And I like having my own paper there. Okay, so it comes with this little cloth, and since I've been talking, I see a little bit of dust has landed. You want absolutely no dust. And I've already cleaned it, so we should be good. This may or may not go well. Either way, I'm going to publish this, and you guys can hold your breath with me. How about that? Okay. It says, let's see, use the included cleaning wipe, bada bing, microfiber cloth, and dust removal sticker. Oh dear, hold on. Where's the, okay, hold on a minute. Oh, this is the warranty registration right here that I'm going to be registering it. This is the cleaning wipe, and this is the dust removal sticker. All right. So I'm going to clean it again. I thought I was just going to I thought I was just using that. See? Y'all can hold your breath with me, because I just don't know how this is going to go. All right, I'm counting on y'all now. You'll be like, oh. Okay, this is the cleaning thing, cleaning. And I'll tell you too, I was so not worried, but I was hesitant to even order a replacement screen because I didn't want to take off the old one. I didn't want to see that maybe, just maybe, I have completely ruined my phone because it was so bad. But no, you see my screen is perfect, even though that that screen protector was cracked all up one side and down the other. That's what we say down here in the South, up one side, down the other. Use this to remove fine particles after cleaning, all right? All right, well, oh dear. Okay, I'm just going to kind of wipe it. Maybe I'm supposed to do this. Yeah. Okay, so this apparently is the happier way to do it, rather than dragging it. All right. Oh, I see streaks left from where I cleaned it. What's that about, people? We don't want streaks. Go in a circle here and see if that helps. Okay, that's helping. I feel like I'm doing windows. Oh my goodness, the pressure, the stress. There's a tiny little something there. Are y'all nervous? I am. Okay, I like doing it that way. I'm just kind of like, all right, there. I'm going to look it over real well, really well. Not real well, really well. I don't know what that is, but it needs to move. Okay, so I'm going to set this somewhere. Where am I going to put it? I guess right there. Okay. My word. All right, all right. Remove protective film marked with a 1. That's going to be this one. I don't even know if I'm upside down or right side up to you guys, but I'll do it that way, and then I'm going to do it this way. Okay. It's going to be this, and I'm going to use easy tabs to align the shield with the edge. See, okay, we got to read all the directions first, because who knows. Can y'all see I spilled some ice cream on my shirt right here? I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay. But this does say, pig out, where are you? There we go. Pig out at Sprayberry's Barbecue, Newnan, Georgia. Okay. Just in case anybody's going to ask. All right. Use easy tabs to align invisible shield glass with the edges of your device. Easy tabs. Okay. And we're going to press down on the center. Now, I do remember doing this, and man. If a bubble remains, press and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, I'm going to quit sweating it. I'm just going to stop sweating it here. Peel this layer first. Avoid touching adhesive. Are y'all serious? Okay. Okay, the idea is to get it on here. What arrows are they talking? I don't see any arrows. What? All right. Oh, good. Okay, there's a top and a bottom here, y'all. Like the camera part, the button where the camera goes is, oh, poo, I got to stand up. Oh, the pressure. Because it's so permanent. Oh, dear. It is so permanent. Oh, dear. Okay. I can't even talk. Look at this. The bubbles. Go, bubbles. Go. 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 Oh, dear. Come on now. Come on. Come on. No bubbles. No bubbles. Oh, they're going away. Yay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. They ought to be compensating me this, because this is like the best advertisement ever. Go away, bubbles. Go away. Go. It says hold it down for 5 seconds. I guess that's how long it takes to... 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, well, that's different. Oh, that really works if you hold it. Sorry about my nails. But, y'all, I went to a crafting retreat, and I'll tell y'all what, it was bomb diggity. And then I worked at my church this morning. Jacked up my nails. I just painted them over the weekend at my crafting retreat. Oh, y'all, this really works. If you press it down and just force those bubbles out. Okay, I'm happy. I'm happy about this. I'm happy, too, that I didn't put it on backwards. You get one chance. One, people. One. Okay, I can sit back down now. Okay. I apologize for whatever y'all just saw, because I am wearing leggings, and some people shouldn't wear leggings. I'm not going to name any names, but one of them is yours truly. Okay, so these bubbles are still there, so I'm going to press those down. They went away. I'm serious, y'all. Okay, I'm good at this. I did not know that about me, but I am good at this. I'm following directions. Nope. Oh, there's some bubbles. Hold on. 2 itty-bitty bubbles, and they're gone. Okay, so see? Oh, dear. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see that. That's not a private picture. Okay, see? Isn't that nice? There's no bubbles. There's, oh, yes there are. Come here. Go away, little bubbles. Go away. Oh, the stress. Oh, my word. Okay, all right, let's see what it says. Peel off plastic layer. Oh, I was supposed to, I was supposed to get those bubbles off after I peeled off this layer. But that's okay. I don't think it really matters. Do y'all? Because I had a lot of bubbles and now I don't. So, all right, here we go. Here we go, people. Are y'all ready? Bum, bum, bum. Look at my phone. It's so happy. It's like brand new. I am so excited. So, let me tell you this. Even though they're not paying me to endorse anything, because who am I, right? I love this product. It is amazing. I've paid, like I said, I think it was $39 or $49 originally, you know, and then you register it. Sorry, the light is terrible. Let me turn this off. I had it on so that I could, there we go. You register it and you get a free replacement every time, as long as you register it. So be sure and register yours. And it's called ZAGG, and they've got them for all size different phones. Mine is an iPhone 7 Plus, and this bad boy has to last me because now we are retired, and I just can't run out and buy a new iPhone every 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to, it's super simple. I've got this in here. They say put it on a piece of paper. I don't know why. And I'm doing what I'm told, people. Doing what I'm told. And it gives you all the instructions here, what to do. Basically, put the sticker on here, put that in there. They do not want any of this stuff back. Surprise. And print your name and return address above in the area indicated. Just do what they say. All right. And then remove the barcode label, did that, and seal and mail. Now, they're serious, because if you don't do that, you do pay shipping. I think it was $6.95 for just, if they just mailed it and you didn't have a tracking number. I think it was $11.95, I think, for a tracking number. And here's the thing. I was thinking about that because I wanted to do it the cheapest way. And I thought, well, if I don't get a tracking number and it's lost in the mail, I'm out, you know, the whole price. So I felt like it was a good investment. Oh, look, bubbles came back, y'all. I got to fix that. I thought it was a good investment to just go ahead and pay that for a tracking number. And that's what I did. So, it was like a $11.95, something like that. So there we go. I'm very happy with my ZAGG Invisible Shield. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. All right, y'all be sure and check out my videos below. I actually did a video at the crafting retreat that I went to, and it's really jerky and all, but that's okay because that was the way the internet was. So y'all can see that, and I've got a lot of beginner stamping videos called Stamping 101, the basics, and you can access all that there and learn how to love Stampin' Up! As much as I do and creating as much as I love it. Thanks for joining me. Toodles!